Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hussein Sibyl. If this is your first time here and you're welcome to my channel, I got some updates yesterday that UAE will no longer stamp their visas in passport. This is what the news said. Residents in UAE will no longer need a visa sticker in their passport. Instead, the Emirates ID card will serve as proof of residency. The Federal Authority for Identity Card, Citizenship, Custom and Port Security said that the rule change applies to all new visas application after April 11, 2022. That will be next week. The change is due to the fact that the UAE Emirates ID card now contains all necessary information on each resident, and according to the authorities, the Emirates ID will be used by airlines to verify residency along with their passport number. So Dubai is working so hard every day to update its system, and it is just amazing. Like if you look at everyone's passport, if you want to know that they're a resident here, you'll just know by the sticker in their passport containing their information, everything. And on the old Emirates ID, I'm just going to say old because from next week they will have to be providing new Emirates ID. If you look at them, it just had a few informations about the ID card holder, but now if you look at the new one, it has all the information of the person carrying it, the holder, because you have the profession on it, you have the employer's name, you have your date of birth. Everything is on the new Emirates ID card, and it is amazing. So with the sticker in the passport, it is not really needed. So I don't know if they will still be holding passport, because some companies in UAE, when they employ you, they have to hold your passport until your contract is done with them. But now that the visa is not going to be in the passport, I don't know if they'll still have to take the passport and give it only when your contract is done, or they'll just leave your passport with you and keep the Emirates ID instead. Because when I saw that, I just had a lot of thoughts in my mind, like, okay, what will companies be keeping now? Because if someone still wants to travel, they can use only their ID card with their passport number, and then they'll have to just book their plane and they go back home. So now what will companies be having? But it is amazing though. It is amazing just knowing that Dubai, they are changing their system every day. Before, their weekend was Fridays and Saturdays, but now the weekends is actually Saturday and Sunday like any other country. So every day they are working to improve the system, because they have other nationalities living in them that are trying to consider everyone, and they're trying to make Dubai a smart Dubai. I don't know how you all feel about this, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. And if you need extra information or you want to connect with me, I'm on Facebook as Here From Sibyl, or on Instagram it is Hussein_Sibyl, and I'm on TikTok as well as Here From Sibyl. Or you can send me an email at washwin@gmail.com. I'll put the links in the description box, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and turn on the bell. Please don't forget to do that. Thank you for being here. It is a pleasure to have you always. Bye bye.